Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to fix Xbox app error code 0x00000001 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The problem is can't download or install Xbox app games. The first step is go to the start menu and type W is reset. You can show this icon and right click and select run as administrator, one click. And you can show this window, don't close this window. Wait a moment, can be patient and wait for finishing the process or when the process is ending. Automatically open the Windows app and you can show works properly any applications. You can install or reinstall the Xbox app, and this is all. You can receive a user account control, click on yes, and wait for installation of this app. And click on open, and this is all. The app or your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.